Christmas morning should feel warm, cozy, and joyful. It's the one morning of the year that's meant to start slow, with good food, good company, and no pressure. Not heavy, not rushed, and definitely not sluggish. Today, I'm sharing 21 quick and easy heart-healthy breakfast recipes that feel festive, comforting, and perfect for the holidays. These ideas are lower in added sugar, made with simple whole ingredients, and designed for everyday healthy eating, even on Christmas morning. Whether you're cooking for family, hosting guests, or keeping things simple for yourself, these breakfasts come together fast and still feel special. Grab your favorite mug, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. Segment 1. Quick Christmas Morning Starters 1. Cinnamon oatmeal with berries, ready in about 5 minutes. This one is cozy, classic, and perfect for a calm Christmas morning. You'll need 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen. How to make it. Add the oats and your liquid to a small pot and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring gently as it thickens. Once it's warm and creamy, stir in the cinnamon for that holiday flavor. Spoon it into a bowl and finish with a generous handful of berries on top. This breakfast is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially during busy holiday mornings. 2. Avocado toast with cherry tomatoes, ready in about 5 minutes. This one feels fresh, colorful, and surprisingly satisfying, especially if you want something light but filling. You'll need 1 slice whole grain bread, 1/2 ripe avocado, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1 teaspoon olive oil. How to make it. Start by toasting the bread until it's golden and crisp. While it's toasting, mash the avocado until smooth. Spread it evenly over the warm toast, scatter the cherry tomatoes on top, and finish with a light drizzle of olive oil. This breakfast is commonly included in heart-healthy food choices and works well for everyday healthy eating, especially during the holidays when you want something quick that still feels fresh. 3. Greek yogurt Christmas parfait, ready in about 5 minutes. This one looks festive, feels light, and still gives you that Christmas morning treat feeling. You'll need 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts. How to make it. Grab a clear glass or bowl and start with a layer of Greek yogurt. Add a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds for color and a little crunch from the walnuts. Repeat the layers if you like, then finish with fruit and nuts on top. This parfait is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially during the holidays when you want something quick but special. 4. Banana peanut butter toast, ready in about 4 minutes. This one is simple, comforting, and always a crowd favorite, especially on a cozy holiday morning. You'll need 1 slice whole grain toast, 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, 1/2 banana, sliced. How to make it. Toast the bread until it's lightly crisp. Spread the peanut butter evenly while it's still warm, then layer the banana slices on top. That's it. Simple, satisfying, and ready in minutes. This breakfast is lower in added sugar when made with natural peanut butter and fits easily into heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, even during the Christmas season. 5. Christmas smoothie bowl, ready in about 5 minutes. This one feels bright, refreshing, and colorful, perfect if you want something light but still festive on Christmas morning. You'll need 1 cup frozen berries, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. How to make it. Add everything to a blender and blend until thick and creamy. You want it spoonable, not runny. Pour it into a bowl and enjoy it just like that, or take a moment to make it look extra festive before digging in. This smoothie bowl is lower in added sugar, made with simple whole ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially during the holidays. 6. Warm apple cinnamon quinoa, ready in about 8 minutes. This one feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Cozy, gently sweet, and perfect for a slow holiday morning. You'll need 3/4 cup cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup chopped apple, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. How to make it. Add the cooked quinoa to a small pan and warm it over medium heat. Stir in the chopped apple and cinnamon, letting everything heat through until the apples soften slightly and the bowl smells like Christmas. This breakfast is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially during cooler winter mornings. 7. Scrambled eggs with spinach, ready in about 6 minutes. This one is warm, savory, and comforting. It's a great option if you prefer a classic breakfast that still feels light. You'll need 2 eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 teaspoon olive oil. How to make it. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the spinach and sauté for about a minute, just until it softens. Pour in the beaten eggs and cook gently, stirring slowly, until soft and fluffy. This breakfast is commonly included in heart-healthy food choices and works well as part of everyday healthy eating, especially when you want something warm and satisfying on Christmas morning. Segment 2. Festive and Amp. Cozy breakfasts. Recipes 8 to 14. 8. Whole grain pancakes with berries, ready in about 12 minutes. This one feels like a Christmas classic, but lighter and easier than you might expect. You'll need 1/2 cup whole grain flour, 1 egg, 1/2 cup almond milk, fresh or frozen berries for topping. How to make it. Whisk the flour, egg, and almond milk together until smooth. Heat a pan over medium heat and pour in small rounds of batter. Cook until bubbles form, then flip and cook until golden. Serve warm and top with berries for a bright, festive finish. These pancakes are lower in added sugar and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, making them a great option for a cozy holiday morning. 9. Baked apple breakfast cups, ready in about 15 minutes. These smell like Christmas while they're baking. Warm, comforting, and perfect for a holiday morning. You'll need 2 apples, chopped, 1/2 cup oats, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. How to make it. Mix the chopped apples, oats, and cinnamon together and spoon the mixture into small oven-safe cups or a muffin tin. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, until the apples are soft and the tops are lightly golden. These breakfast cups are lower in added sugar, made with simple whole ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially during the holidays. 10. Holiday veggie omelet, ready in about 10 minutes. This one is colorful, warm, and easy to customize with whatever vegetables you have on hand. You'll need 2 eggs, 1/4 cup bell peppers, chopped, 2 tablespoons onions, chopped. How to make it. Heat a pan over medium heat and cook the bell peppers and onions until soft and fragrant. Pour in the beaten eggs and let them set gently. Once the bottom is cooked, fold the omelet over and finish cooking until just set. This omelet is commonly included in heart-healthy food choices and works well for everyday healthy eating, especially if you enjoy a savory start to your Christmas morning. 11. Peanut butter banana smoothie, ready in about 5 minutes. This one is creamy, comforting, and perfect if you want something quick that still feels filling. You'll need 1 banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup almond milk. How to make it. Add everything to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy right away while it's cold and fresh. This smoothie is lower in added sugar when made with simple ingredients and fits easily into heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially during busy holiday mornings. 12. Chia seed breakfast pudding, 5 minutes to prep, then chill. This one is perfect if you like to prepare something ahead of time and keep Christmas morning easy. You'll need 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 3/4 cup almond milk. How to make it. Add the chia seeds and almond milk to a jar or bowl and stir well. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, it thickens into a soft, spoonable pudding that's ready to enjoy. This breakfast is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially when you want something quick and no stress. 13. Sweet potato breakfast hashed ready in about 15 minutes. This one feels hearty and comforting, perfect for a slow Christmas morning when you want something warm and satisfying. You'll need 1 cup sweet potato, diced 1 teaspoon olive oil. How to make it? Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the diced sweet potato and cook, stirring occasionally, until the pieces are soft on the inside and lightly browned on the outside. This breakfast is commonly included in heart-healthy food choices and fits well into everyday healthy eating, especially during cozy holiday mornings. 14. Cottage cheese fruit bowl ready in about 3 minutes. This one is fresh, simple, and great if you want something cool and light on Christmas morning. You'll need 3/4 cup cottage cheese, 1/2 cup pineapple chunks. How to make it? Add the cottage cheese to a bowl, top it with pineapple chunks, and serve chilled. That's it. Quick, refreshing, and ready in minutes. This breakfast is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially when you want something easy and no fuss. Segment 3. Light and Amp. Last minute ideas. 15. Oatmeal banana cookies ready in about 15 minutes. These feel like a Christmas treat, but they're made with just a few simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup oats, 1 ripe banana, mashed. How to make it? Mix the oats and mashed banana together until well combined. Spoon small portions onto a baking tray and flatten slightly. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until lightly golden. These cookies are lower in added sugar, made with simple whole ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially during the holidays. 16. Christmas fruit salad ready in about 5 minutes. This one is colorful, refreshing, and perfect if you want something light and cheerful on Christmas morning. You'll need 2 cups mixed fruits, chopped. How to make it? Chop your fruits into bite-sized pieces, add them to a bowl, and gently mix everything together. Serve fresh and enjoy the natural sweetness. This fruit salad is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and fits easily into heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially during the holiday season. 17. Egg muffin cups ready in about 18 minutes. These are great if you're feeding a few people or want something you can make ahead and reheat. You'll need 4 eggs, 1/2 cup chopped vegetables of your choice. How to make it? Beat the eggs in a bowl and stir in the vegetables. Pour the mixture into a lightly greased muffin tray, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 18 minutes until set and lightly golden. These egg muffin cups are commonly included in heart-healthy food choices and work well for everyday healthy eating, especially during busy holiday mornings. 18. Almond butter toast with strawberries ready in about 4 minutes. This one feels simple and fresh, perfect if you want something quick that still feels a little special. You'll need 1 slice toast, 1 tablespoon almond butter, fresh strawberries, sliced. How to make it? Toast the bread until lightly crisp. Spread the almond butter evenly over the warm toast, then top with sliced strawberries. This breakfast is lower in added sugar when made with simple ingredients and fits nicely into heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially during the holiday season. 19. Warm berry compote ready in about 6 minutes. This one adds a warm, holiday touch and works beautifully as a simple breakfast or topping. You'll need 1 cup berries, fresh or frozen. How to make it? Add the berries to a small pan and heat them gently over low to medium heat. Stir occasionally until they soften and release their juices, creating a warm, naturally sweet compote. This recipe is lower in added sugar, made with simple whole ingredients, and often included in heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially during the holidays. 20. Yogurt oat breakfast bowl ready in about 4 minutes. This one is simple, filling, and perfect when you want something quick without turning on the stove. You'll need 3/4 cup yogurt, 1/4 cup oats. How to make it? Add the yogurt to a bowl and stir in the oats until well combined. Let it sit for a minute to soften, then enjoy right away. This breakfast is lower in added sugar when made with plain yogurt and fits easily into heart-healthy food choices and everyday balanced eating, especially on busy holiday mornings. 21. Simple Christmas morning smoothie ready in about 3 minutes. This one is light, refreshing, and perfect if you want something quick before the day gets busy. You'll need 1 banana, 1/2 cup berries, 1 cup water. How to make it? Add everything to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy right away. No fuss, no prep, just a clean and simple start to Christmas morning. This smoothie is lower in added sugar, made with simple ingredients, and fits naturally into heart-healthy food choices and everyday healthy eating, especially during the holidays. Christmas breakfast doesn't need to be complicated to feel special. It's really about slowing down for a moment, enjoying familiar flavors, and starting the day feeling good. These heart-healthy food choices are simple to prepare, comforting to enjoy, and fit naturally into everyday healthy eating, even during the holidays when schedules can feel busy. If you found these ideas helpful, take a second to like the video, share it with someone planning Christmas morning, and subscribe for more easy, feel-good food inspiration you can enjoy any time of the year. Thank you for spending part of your Christmas season here, and I hope your morning starts calm, cozy, and full of joy.